The RPM Mini is a portable yet powerful relief tool, and it's great for massaging out sore spots and promoting blood flow. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you some tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your RPM Mini. Here's a quick overview of the RPM Mini. The RPM Mini comes with a travel case that makes it easy to take it anywhere with you. Turn it off or on using the power button. The power indicator lights show you what level it's at. Use the hand grip to grab it. The massage rollers use percussive and rolling massage. You can charge it with a USB-C port, and a basic phone charger will charge this baby in about an hour and a half. Here's how to use the RPM Mini. Press and hold the power button for around 2 seconds to turn the device on, and then quickly press the power button again to cycle through 3 speeds. Then it's as simple as massaging where you want. Now, because the RPM Mini uses a gentler rolling massage, it's great for areas like your neck and your suboccipital muscles. Rolling massage is also great for lymphatic drainage. When your lymph fluid builds up in your joints, it can cause conditions like bloating and brain fog, and skin conditions like rashes and acne, just to name a few. By draining your lymph, you can reduce inflammation, stiffness, and pain in your body. To help out with lymphatic drainage, roll out the lymph towards the direction of your heart. And when you're done, press and hold the power button for around 2 seconds to turn the device off again.